Welcome to Integration, the reverse chain rule. So on your formula sheet, it talks about or shows the integration of f dash of x of f of x of n to the power of n dx gives you 1 over n plus 1 f of x to the n plus 1 plus c. So once again, we're going to focus on the f of x for these ones. So let's have a look at a couple of examples. So the first one. So we're actually going to differentiate 4x plus 1 to the power of 5. And using the derivative, we're then going to integrate or anti-differentiate 10 outside of 4x plus 1 to the 4. So the differential of 4x plus 1 to the 5. So you bring the power down the front, lower your power by 1 times by the differential inside. So 5 times 4 is 20, 4x plus 1 to the 4. So in part B, we want to integrate 10 4x plus 1 to the 4. But remember in part A, the differential got us 20 at the front. So I've got to change that 10 and make it to 20. So I will multiply by 2, but a reminder from our last video, if I multiply by 2, I've got to undo out the front, so I have a half out the front. So I end up with a half of 2 times 10, 4x plus 1 to the 4. 2 tens are 20. So after the integral, I now have 20 4x plus 1 to the 4. And from part A, when I anti-differentiate that, I get back to 4x plus 1 to the 5, giving us my solution as a half 4x plus 1 to the 5 plus c. Now let's look at one that also uses definite integrals. So similarly, we're going to differentiate 2x squared plus 1 to the 5, and then we're going to integrate from 0 to 1, 20x outside of 2x squared plus 1 to the 4. So the differential first, power down the front, that's the 5, times the differential inside, which is 4x, outside of 2x squared plus 1 to the power of 4. So when you multiply out the front, 5 times 4x is 20x, outside of 2x squared plus 1 to the 4. So for part B, we're going to integrate from 0 to 1, 20x outside of 2x squared plus 1 to the 4. Well, from part A, we needed 20x, and we already have 20x. So therefore, the anti-differentiation of 20x, 2x squared plus 1 to the 4, gets us back to what we differentiated, 2x squared plus 1 to the 5, between 0 and 1. So we sub 1 in minus subbing 0 in. We get 3 to the 5 minus 1 to the 5, which gets us 242. Thank you.